Okay, YouTube, right now I'm on my way down to, actually on my way back from picking up my grandson. His car broke down on the highway. Tomorrow we're going to have to go get a dolly or a trailer and pick that thing up. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump. He said it shut off on him like 4 times. He was able to restart it, but the last time we couldn't get it started. I tried banging on the fuel tank, see if we could jar it to get it going, but just couldn't get it going. So we're gonna have to go pick that thing up tomorrow. Not sure how I'm gonna go about it. Either borrow my buddy's trailer, or I'm gonna have to get a dolly and dolly it home. Hopefully they don't tow it before I can get down there. But stay tuned, and we'll be back as soon as we go down to get the car. Okay, we're heading down to pick up the Camry. I was trying to beat rush hour traffic, but don't look like I'm gonna. So it's gonna be real fun on the side of the road here. We'll see how it goes. Okay, YouTube, we just got this Camry running. I didn't get a chance to film anything that we did. I'll just give you a quick rundown of what we found. This turns out to be an issue. This could have been fixed alongside of the road real easily, but I just overthought the problem. When I got the call that the car quit and then started and then quit and then started, I just assumed it was going to be a fuel pump because I've seen them do that before. And where the car was on the side of the road, it was a dangerous spot to be playing around on the side of the road. But had I just taken a few minutes to check, I would have had it running within 5-10 minutes. I got it home, I trailered it home. We did a little troubleshooting on it yesterday, just gave it a shot of starting fluid and see if it would fire up. Where it did start up and ran for a little while, but then when the hood shut, it cut off again. So I'm going to show you what I found. It was a real quick fix if I would have just taken the time. Chaz from Puglisi Speed Shop always talks about overthinking and getting inside your own head. This was a good case of that, because I automatically assumed it was a fuel pump problem until I got it home and started troubleshooting. Then I realized it was a fuel pump, and then as I went to go to check the electrical, that's how I found it. First thing I wanted to do when checking the electrical was over here. In this fuse box here. I wanted to check the fuse and the relay. This fuse box right here. I wanted to check the fuse and the relay in here, and that's what I found. Was when I opened this up, this relay was sitting loose like that. So intermittently it was making contact. It was sitting loose like that. Intermittently it was making contact and the car would start up. Also, this one was loose too, this relay. So pushed it in. Car's been fine since. I was going to check the fuse and see if I could see if I was getting voltage and stuff to the relay, and that's what we ended up finding. It's been running since. So just remember, always check the easy stuff first. Like I said, I was on the edge, I was on the side of the road, and I didn't really want to mess around in that kind of traffic, but in the long run it would have been a better choice to do that than messing around getting this car on that trailer. So Always check the easy stuff first. A lesson I know, but keep learning over and over every now and then. Every once in a while it gets you. Okay, that's it for this video. That's about all we got. So we weren't going to put a lot of money into this car anyway because it's been through several wrecks. It's pretty beat up, but he needs to get back and forth to work for the time being, so that's why we bothered looking at it in the first place. If you learn anything from this video or even just interested in watching any more videos, please like and share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.